Let's review how to find the volume of a right rectangular prism. Right before we left school, we were talking about how to find volume using length times width times height. Let's look at an example here. I have a right rectangular prism. I don't know the length, width, or height, so I'm going to have to count it up. The length is across the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of this rectangular prism is 4. The width is going back, 1, 2. The width of this rectangular prism is 2. And the height is how tall it is, or how many layers there are, 1, 2. So the height of this rectangular prism is 2. In order to find the volume, I need to multiply the length of 4, the width of 2, and the height of 2. So my formula for volume is 4 times 2 times 2. And 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 more is 16. So my total volume equals 16. Let's try this again with another right rectangular prism. I need to find my length, my width, and my height. My length across the front is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. My width going back is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. And my height going up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So to find my volume, I need to do my length times my width times my height. My length was 5. My width was 5. My height was 5. I'm going to multiply this now, but you may feel free to use paper to multiply this out. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 more is 125. So my total volume is 125. You may also see a rectangular prism without blocks. You may see a rectangular prism where they give you the length, width, and height already. Let's look at the length, width, and height of this rectangular prism. Our length across the front is 4. Our width going back is 8. And our height, how tall it is 6. In order to find volume, we need to do the length times the width times the height. Our length is 4. Our width is 8. And our height is 6. So we need to do 4 times 8, which is 32, and 32 times 6. Again, please feel free to use a piece of paper to multiply 32 times 6, which is 192. In order to find volume, you just need to know your length, width, and height, and multiply those three numbers. Length times width times height.